You have probably heard about artificial intelligence by now, or AI for short, but you may not realize just how intertwined it's become with everything we do online. AI recommends songs for you, plays games with you, and can even do your homework for you. But what exactly is it and how does it work? In this lesson, we'll explore how AI works, what to be excited about, and what to be mindful of when interacting with AI. Let's dive in. Ever wonder how AI thinks? Let's explore this with a fun example. How would you finish the sentence, "the cat in the..." If you immediately thought hat, you're probably remembering the famous book, The Cat in the Hat, by Dr. Seuss. Maybe you read it, or heard about it at school or on TV. You've heard the cat in the hat so many times, it just sticks in your brain. It's more common than something like the cat in the aquarium, right? Now try this one. Every day I like to... This sentence is trickier. You might say run, while your friend might say do puzzles or sleep. Unlike the first sentence, there's no single answer that jumps out. Everyone could think of something different. So what does this have to do with AI? AI works by guessing what comes next, based on what it's learned. It's like when you guessed hat for the first sentence. You've probably learned about probability in school. It's about how likely something is to happen. In our first sentence, hat is a really likely guess. But how does AI make these guesses? It's all about training. AI learns by looking at tons of information. For understanding language, it reads loads of text from the internet. It learns that the cat in the hat is a popular phrase, so it guesses hat to complete the cat in the... And it's not just with words. AI can learn about pictures, videos, and sounds too. By studying lots of examples, AI gets better at guessing and understanding, almost like how we learn. So, AI is like a super fast learner, getting better every day at understanding and guessing in ways similar to us. There's lots of reasons to be optimistic about what AI can add to our lives. Here's just a few examples. Homework helper. Ever wished for a super smart buddy who could help with your math or science homework? Guess what? AI can be that buddy. It can help you understand tough topics, solve problems, and even learn new languages. It's like having a tutor who's always ready to help anytime you need. Health hero. AI isn't just about fun and games. It's also helping doctors and scientists. It can help find new cures for diseases, make surgeries safer, and even remind you to take your medicine. It's like having a superhero sidekick in the world of medicine. Environmental protector. Our planet is super important, right? AI is playing a big role in protecting it. It can track changes in the environment, help clean up oceans, and even figure out better ways to save energy. It's like having a powerful ally in the fight against climate change. Creative companion. AI can also be super creative. It can help write music, create art, and even come up with cool movie ideas. It's like collaborating with a really imaginative friend who's full of surprises. Making life easier and safer. From self-driving cars to smart homes, AI is all about making life easier and safer. Imagine your house knowing just when to turn on the lights, or a car that can drive you safely while you relax. So there you have it. AI is like a magical mix of your smartest friend, bravest hero, and most creative buddy, all rolled into one. But while there is a lot to look forward to, we have to be aware of the risks as well. Let's examine a few. Figuring out what's real and what's not. Imagine you're watching a video of your favorite singer, but then you find out it's not actually them, but something an AI created. It looks real, sounds real, but it's not. AI can make stuff that's so convincing, it's hard to tell if it's real or just computer trickery. This can be a problem because we might believe things that aren't true. Over-reliance. It's like when you use a calculator for every single math problem, even the easy ones. If we rely on AI for everything, we might forget how to do basic stuff on our own. It's important to use our own brains and not let AI do all the thinking for us. Isolation. Ever been so into a video game that you forget to hang out with your friends or family? That can happen with AI too. If we let AI gadgets do everything for us, like chatting, playing, or even making art, we might end up spending too much time with machines and not enough with real people. Making decisions for us. Sometimes AI can make decisions like what news you see on the internet or what videos you get recommended. But what if the AI doesn't show you everything or only shows you certain types of things? This means you might not get the whole picture or might miss out on different viewpoints. We should remember to explore and think for ourselves, not just follow what a computer suggests. Unpredictability. AI is programmed by humans, but sometimes it can learn and make decisions in ways we don't fully understand. This can be unpredictable, like in a video game, if something unexpected happens that the designers didn't plan for. We need to be careful and make sure we can always control and understand what AI is doing. Privacy concerns. Think about posting a photo or talking to your friends online. With AI, sometimes your information can be collected without you even knowing it. This information can be used to figure out what you like, what you do, and even where you are. It's like having someone always peeking over your shoulder. We need to be aware of how our information is being used and stay safe online. Navigating the future of AI is like steering a ship through uncharted waters. As we sail into this future, here are 4 important questions to ask yourself. 1. Am I in control, or is the machine in control? Imagine you're playing a video game. You're the one with the controller, right? But what if the game starts making its own rules or playing on its own? With AI, it's kind of similar. We need to constantly ask ourselves, who's making the decisions here? 2. What is the role of the human being in a world of AI? Even in a world filled with smart machines, there's something special about being human. Our creativity, emotions, and experiences can't be replicated by AI. Our role is to be the thinkers, the dreamers, and the creators. We should use AI as a paintbrush, not the painter. It's about using AI to enhance our human qualities, not replace them. 3. Is it realistic to expect everything to be tailored to you all the time? It's like having a chef who always cooks your favorite meal. Sounds great, right? But what if you never get to try anything new? AI can customize your world, from the news you read to the music you listen to, but this can create a bubble where you only see what you like, not what you need or what's different. 4. Am I creating the change I want to see? Picture yourself as an artist with a blank canvas. Every stroke you make with your brush or decision you make shapes the picture or the future. With AI, we have the power to shape a future that's kind, fair, and awesome. But it's up to us to decide what that looks like. Are we using AI to make the world better for everyone, or just easier for ourselves? Hopefully, this lesson has helped you better understand the world of AI. As you proceed to navigate a future with AI, it's important to embrace change, but it is also important to think about the positive and negative impacts of any changes. Remember, it's not just about what AI can do for us, but what we can do with AI to make a difference in our world.